Oh no. What have I done?
Sarah, let's go, come on! Come on, I'm gonna be late for school.
Okay, I'll be done in a minute. Hang on.
You know, I don't have to preliminary click for you to get done in the bathroom.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Gosh, what's taking her so long? No one needs to look that good just to drive me to school. She's not gonna meet Romeo. Are you done? I'm coming in.
No, you're not. I'm done. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah. What took you so long? I'm gonna be late.
I had to do my hair, okay? Calm down.
For 2 hours? It doesn't take anyone that long.
I'm sorry. Perfection takes time. But you wouldn't know that.
What is that supposed to mean?
I'm sorry, you only take, what, up to 30 minutes to get ready? You look like crap when you get out of the bathroom? I'm surprised you haven't even been asked out yet. Like, seriously, when was the last time you had a boyfriend? Oh, wait. What's that? Never.
I have a boyfriend. His name's Travis. I just don't want him around what a screw-up, messed-up sister I have.
Oh, yeah, because I'm such a screw-up.
Yes, you are!
No. No.
Yes, you're gonna die alone and a drug addict!
Not a drug addict. I wasn't gonna die alone. I had everything under control until they stepped in and screwed me over.
They screwed you over, you screwed them over. You took their life from them.
No.
You know what?
Fine.
Pull over, just pull over! Pull over, I can't even look at you. I'll walk.
Get the hell out! Just get out!
I'm gonna put an end to this.
What the hell? No. 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 Nancy! Nancy, what are you doing?
I'm getting rid of the problem.
No, give it to me.
No.
That's not the problem.
Are you kidding? Of course it's the problem. This is like your
Are
lifeline.
you freaking kidding me?
No.
No.
The pool's acidity is a measure of how active the volcano is.
Nancy, get up. Come on. Come on, we gotta clean all this up now. Dude, come on, get up. Stop playing around. If you're trying to scare me or anything, it's not gonna work. You're not gonna make me stop. Dude, Nancy. Nancy, come on. Nancy.
911, what's your emergency?
I didn't mean to do it.
Ma'am, are you okay?
I didn't mean to do it, my sister. I'm sorry.
What happened, ma'am? Can you explain to me?
She's not waking up. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Okay, are you okay, ma'am?